Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Terra Luna to from Gemini or Coinbase. Well, in this case, I'm going to be using Gemini to first to Metamask and then to your Terra wallet, because you need to have your Luna in your Terra wallet if you want to get the new Luna 2.0. You have to get it out of the exchanges and have it on a Terra wallet so you can get the new 2. And that's going to happen on the 27th of May. A few days away, actually. Okay, so let's start with going to the portfolio. Okay, so you can just see right here what the amount I have. And it's right here. I have 620,000 Luna. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to withdraw this, okay, to Metamask, because right now this is a Ethereum base. This is we cannot transfer Luna directly to a Terra wallet. It doesn't work that way. This is a ERC20 type in this exchange. So we're gonna what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the Luna to MetaMask using the Ethereum network, and then once it's on the MetaMask wallet and Ethereum network, we're gonna use a bridge to move the Luna on the MetaMask wallet to the Terra wallet. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna withdraw this Terra. So we're gonna go here to transfer. And we're going to withdraw from Gemini. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our MetaMask. Okay. And we're going to get the address. We're going to copy the address. Make sure it's on the Ethereum. Okay. Well, in MetaMask, the address is going to be the same on all the main nets in here. But you're going to copy the address from your MetaMask wallet, and you're going to have it ready because we're going to do this step right now. So the currency we're going to withdraw is Luna, right? ERC20. We're going to click on continue, and we're going to transfer to, this is going to be the address for the MetaMask wallet. Okay, we're going to click on continue, and it's saying that you're okay, and yes, I want to proceed. And we're going to enter the amount. We are going to put all of it. Okay. And we're going to continue. Okay. And we're going to request withdraw. Okay. Now we have to put our code. Okay. So we're going to go here. I'm going to put that code in there. Okay. This is a one-time code. This is just to verify, authenticate that you do want to send your token. And I click on submit. And there it is. And we're going to wait on that. Now, while we wait, we're going to go to the MetaMask wallet. And we're going to, in the meanwhile, we're going to add a custom token. Okay, so we're going to import token. And I already got this. I'm going to put the address in the description. I'm going to go to custom token. I copied already, and I'm going to paste the token address, which is Luna. And I'm going to add the custom token. And there it is. And actually, the balance is already there. So we're going to import. And there it is. That is the, it went through actually too. So there it is. That's the amount of Luna that I have on my MetaMask wallet. Okay. So let me go back here. Let me scroll down. And you should see it right there. There it is. Okay. Okay, so now the next step we're going to do is we're going to go to the bridge And we need to move the Luna from the Ethereum network to Terra. And we need to have a Terra wallet for that. Now that we have our Luna on our Metamask wallet, we need to move this over to a Terra wallet, okay? Because we need the Luna in Terra wallet. So when they do the snapshot on the 27th, we will qualify for the Luna 2.0 token. Okay, so you're gonna have to get a Terra wallet. I'm not gonna go through that here, how to set that up. I will make a separate video on that if you want. I already have mine here. They have the browser extension and also the app. In this case, I'm just gonna use the browser extension. It's right here. This is my Terra wallet. As you can see, I don't have anything in there. This is my wallet address for Terra. As you can see, it's different than the Ethereum type. This is a totally different blockchain, and it's a totally different wallet. So what we need to do is we need to go to the Terra Bridge. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this wallet address from my Terra wallet because I want to have it ready for when I go to Terra Bridge. So this is the Terra Bridge. I'm going to put the URL in the description for that also. And right now, I want my Luna. Okay. And what I need to do actually first is connect to my wallet, to my MetaMask wallet. So it can tell me how much, I need to connect it. So we're going to connect that. Okay. This is from the Ethereum network. I'm going to send it through Shuttle. Okay, remember that. You have to send it through Shuttle, not Wormhole. That is for, I believe, Binance or another. We're using Shuttle from Ethereum. So you see my balances right here. And we're going to send it to Terra. So I'm going to put max because I'm going to send the maximum amount. The destination address is going to be my Terra wallet. Okay. As you see everything right here. Okay. So we're going to send it to my Terra wallet. We're going to click on next. And we're going to confirm. And we're waiting for MetaMask to notify us that yes, they are going to charge some Ethereum. We're going to confirm. And as you can see, it went through. It's complete. Okay. This is the transaction on that. Okay. This is the transaction record on that. Okay. So now we are going to go to, our Terra wallet. And we're going to wait on that. And there it is. Okay, it took a little bit of time. It took actually about a good 5 minutes before the completed portion on the bridge to actually show up on your Terra wallet. Okay, so that is my balance right there, 620,135 Luna. So now, on the 27th, they will take a snapshot of this wallet, and I will qualify for the Luna 2.0. So now I got my Luna out of Gemini. Put it on the MetaMask, from MetaMask to Terra wallet via Terra Bridge, and it's all done. I'm ready to accept the new token, and the old Luna will be converted to Luna Classic. Okay, so now I'm good to go, and there you go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And also, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.